Hello, good evening, Philippines. Hello, hello, hello. Sunday night diya sa Philippines and Sunday morning here, of course, in New York City. Hello, mga gabi. Ninyo tanan, mga kabimay. Kumusta? How was your Sunday? Hope everything was okay lang, no? Hope you had a great Sunday. Hold on. So once again, this is Michelle Moana of Bima New York Originals, live from New York City. Hello, maninda na po si ate. Hi, sis Lilibet. You're the first one, sis. Hello, sis. Kumusta? Happy New Year. Thank you, sis, for joining. How are you, sis? Happy New Year. Sis Lilibet, Happy New Year, sis, from Ireland. Hi, sis Jinky. Sis Jinky Fauces, may gabi sis diha sa Talisay. May gabi again tonight. Natay paraffle. So as I promised, no, this is our year-end paraffle. And pasasalamat to all of you. Hi sis Rosemary and sis Lilia Homitilco. Thank you so much, okay? Again, we have a paraffle tonight as I promised. So for the minors, we have two categories, A and B. And also for our sharers, we have a paraffle. Okay, naglukot pa ko sa mga sharers. Pako daw man again, na late si ate. So anyway, congratulations in advance sa mga makadaog tonight. Van Williams, good evening. Welcome. Hi, Miss Janet Flores of Leyte. Hello. Miss Janet Flores, hello. Hi, Miss Alphas Glover. Hello, Miss. Good evening. So again ha, so natay pa raffle sa mga minors o sa mga sharers. Yes, I get that, Miss. Miss Jocelyn Yu. Again, Happy New Year, Han. Thank you so much for your support by sharing my videos. Hi, Gaw Arlene. Thank you, Gaw. Thank you so much. Okay, so before ta magpa-raffle, so maninda sa kog kadiyot ha. Kadiyot sa, magtinda sa kog dali-dali. Hope okay lang sa inyo. Again, sa mga sharers, sa walay mga share badge diha, hope you can share my videos and our lives from now on. Okay, so again, 5 months na si Bimay pag 20th. Okay, may gabi sa Dexter, may gabi So 5 months na ta ha. So again, thank you guys sa inyong support. Dili ko mabot og 5 months kung wala pa inyong support mga kabimay. So salamat kaayo ninyong tanan, okay? Hi, Dam. Hi, Miss Ariana. Good evening, Miss Ariana. And Car City. Hello. Kumusta? Again, congratulations in advance sa mga makadaog. Okay? Natay pa premium. So, kini siya, mo na siya ang category A. Okay? Daghan kayo sila, category A. Ang premium, again, pasensya ha, ginagmay na itong mga premium sa for now ha. Ginagmay sa alang takaron. So, again, category A for the minors, vitamin C, first will be vitamin C, a bottle of vitamin C, and then the trifold wallets. Okay, trifold wallet for the second. Kini ako ihatag ha for the second. Okay, trifold wallet for the second sa kano ni siya ha sa category A. And then Miss Q Mitch, sana Miss. And we also have this, ako na siya ihatag. So, the North Face jacket, ang third, okay? So, kuha ni siya ha. Yes, Miss Olen. Nakadiri Miss Olen. Naging salamat. Okay, okay. So, mo ni siya ikatulo sa my, category A. Okay, klaro? And then, daghan kayo mo. Sa category A, daghan kayo mo ha. Maui Castro, okay, sali kita dyan. Again, salamat sa pag-share ha, Maui Castro. Thank you, Miss Olen Palo. Okay, claro. And then for the category B, second category will be water bottle. Nana sa Philippines ang water bottle. Okay, thank you, Miss NJ. Mr. NJ, thank you so much. Thank you. So again, water bottle for the first category sa as a first sa second category. And then the North Face jacket. Actually, I have two ha. I have two. Okay? I have two. And then the Fossil watch. So, ako na siya ihatag ng water bottles. Ako na ihatag. Okay, ayan siya. Okay, NJ noted. So, again, salamat sa pag-share, mga kabimay. Thank you, thank you. But before ta magpa-raffle, manindas ako kadiyot ha, please. I hope okay lang. Okay lang, manindas ako ha. Okay, Miss Kai. Hello, Sis Kai. Thank you so much. I will message you later. Miss Kai, I did not see your message. Ano ba, sa inbox ba, Miss Kai? Miss Kai, I cannot read your message right now, Miss Kai. Okay? Later on na ako ma-message. I think, Miss Kai, noted na yung size 7 mo sa Michael Kors slide. Okay? Noted na yon. Sis Jinky, yes, sa minor ka, sis. Sis Jinky, nabilong ka sa minor. Okay, Sis Jinky, klaro? Again ha, I'll just make it clear, mga minors na nag-share. Ang sharers lang talaga ang nilagay ko sa sharer ha. Yung mga minors nasa minor category. Okay, klaro ba? Okay lang ba? Again, yung mga minors nasa minors category para naman yung mga sharers may chance manalo. Okay? You all have the chance to win. So yung minors nasa minors. And then yung sharers nasa sharer category. Okay, klaro po ba? Hi, Sis Rachel. Hi, Miss Gaia. I hope you understand ha, mga kabimay. Again, yung mga minors nasa minors category, yung sharers nasa sharers category. Okay lang? Hope okay lang ha. Please understand. Let's give chance to others then, okay? But don't worry, from now on, from time to time, magpa-raffle tayo or magpa-games tayo para sa in the future, you will get something, okay? Kahit ano lang, just a little bit of something, meron kayong makukuha, okay? Klaro, again, from now on, we'll do a small pa-raffle or pa-games para every time I have live, meron kayong something na makukuha. Yes, Sis Kai, you are kasali, Sis Kai. Minor ka, Sis Kai, okay? Sis Kai, you're a minor. And also, by the way, just few announcements. From now on, also, magpa-raffle tayo ng mga items. So, let's see kung ano ang items na ipa-raffle natin. Then you can get or you can buy your own slot. It depends. So, kung gusto niyo ng Myla. Bakit walang share badge si Miss Myla? Bakit walang share badge si Miss Myla, Ate Beng? Okay, so let's do Chloe, okay? Sino gusto sumali sa raffle natin ng Chloe backpack? Meron tayong Chloe backpack ha. Meron tayong Chloe backpack. I think gusto ko siyang ipa-raffle. So kung gusto niyo sumali ng raffle, I think 1,500 per head for 50 people. Okay? So again, let's do pa-raffle. 1,500 per slot for the Chloe. Okay? Chloe backpack. I'll show it to you later. Claro? Do you have any questions? Internet sucks. Aw. Sorry, dito din minsan, the internet is not good. Okay? Sino to? Si Kriya. Hold on ha. Thank you then, Miss Olin. Thank you din, Miss Olin Palo, okay? Magtinda muna ako mga kabimay, ha? Okay, let's start na muna. Okay, magtinda muna ako, ha? Sandali. Magtinda muna ako. Okay, let's start with the coach. Okay, for the coach, meron tayong coach, patchwork coach, okay? Miss Karen Claire, kasali ka dito, Miss Karen Claire, okay? Thank you, Miss Karen. Okay, so ayan. So this is our coach, row 1, patchwork row 1, okay? Miss Karen K, kasali ka na dito. Okay, Miss Karen. Thank you, Miss Karen. Yes, Ate Pamela, bago pa lang. Okay, ito siya. Our coach, patchwork coach. This patchwork coach, ito na lang naiwan natin. Okay, this is the last one we have left, mga kabibay. So, if you want this one, let me know. Madam Q, Mitch, are you there? Madam Q, wala yun naabot ang bucket bag, Madam Q. Pasensya na. Okay, ayan siya. See? Patchwork Rowan natin. This is the last one we have. Okay, this is the last one, patchwork Rowan we have. Ayan siya. This is a very unique coach. From coach ni siya ha. Very unique Rowan, mga kabimay. So, I have 3 Rowans right now in the house. So, this one is a little bit more expensive. This is 8,100. Okay? 8,100 for this one. 8,100 for this. Patchwork Rowan. Isa na lang ni siya. Thank you, Madam Q. Kumusta, Madam Q? Happy New Year. And again, Madam Q, murag karon tumabot ang watch. Okay? Excited ka? Hoy, Makoy, sino ka ba? Makoy, umalis ka nga. Wala ka ibang magawa sa buhay ha. Pinedit mo ulo ko. Okay, so this one. Ito naman siya is our Rowan din. Pink color. Para siyang lemonade color. We had this before. Kaya lang sold na siya. Camera bag. Yes, we have camera bag po. But then, sold out na yung camera bag natin. I have camera bag sa Marc Jacobs. Okay? Rowan muna tayo. So, this is our Rowan. We have 3 Rowans in the house. Okay? Sis, Rachel, are you there, Sis Rachel? I will show you, Sis Rachel, have the, coach. Okay, ayan siya. So, we have 3 Rowans. So, you have the patchwork. 8,100 for the patchwork. Okay? For the pink one, 7,200. Okay? This is 7,200. This pink one is 7,200. Okay, claro? Again, this one is 7,200. Again, two-way po ni siya ha. You have a strap inside. Again, ayan siya, two-way. So, if you want the Rowan, just type in lemonade color. Okay, lemonade color for this, 7,200. 7,200. And for this one, I drop it down to 7,800. Okay, claro? For this Rowan mix, 7,800. Okay, wala pa nag-mine ito. Okay, sis. And the patchwork is 8,100. And the pink one is 7,200. Okay, claro po. Just to make sure ha, you're all clear with the Rowan. And again, to our new viewers dyan, please don't be shy. Ask me for your questions if you have any questions for the first time watchers. Okay? And again, thank you so much for the shares natin and for our miners for 5 months now. Again, 5 months na si Bimay. So again, thank you kayo ninyong tanan. Okay, claro? And if you have any questions, let me know lang ha. Don't be shy. Stop me anytime. So, let's continue. And Sis Rachel, ito yung si Serena. This is super pretty. Again, wala na sang color nito. This is the, I think wala na sang ganito sa ano ngayon, sa coach. Ayan siya ha. This was 7,500 before. I drop it down to 7,200. Ayan. 7,200 for this Serena. Super nice, super pretty. I love this one. Kaya kunin nyo na, Sis Rachel. So, this is the front. You have 2 top zip. Okay? Dalawa yung ano niya, compartment. So, one here and one din sa other side. Yung handle niya is this. That's the color. And the strap, ito din yung color niya. Okay? 7,200 na lang. This was 7,500 before. Okay? Isa na lang ni siya si Serena. Nag-iisang Serena. Ayan. Okay, sis? Claro, sis? Ayan ha. 7,200 lang si Serena. This was 7,500 before. Okay? Only one lang ni siya. Only one. Ayan siya. Okay, sis? Claro kayo, sis? Napakaganda nito. Okay? Again, super pretty ni siya. Super pretty. Ayan. Camera bag. Just give me a minute ha. May nag-ask ng camera bag kanina. And this one is our coach din ha. Jade Saddle. This is one of my favorites now. Okay? I was lucky to get one of this. This was the last one they had. Super cute. This is in pebbled leather, diba? Sure, sis. Sure, sis Rachel. Anytime, message me. Jade Saddle. 7,500. Super nice. I like this one. Okay, cute. O, diba? May stars pa. Again, everything's free shipping ha. To this new natin dito. Sa mga bago natin ha, mga baguhan dyan. Free shipping tayo. Okay, free shipping from New York City to anywhere in the Philippines. again, around this time ha, may delay talaga tayo. So please, pasensya na sa mga naghihintay pa rin ng kanilang mga items. Again, wala tayong control, no? Kasi ang daming nagpadala ng packages sa family nila, okay? So kaya, please, konting tiis na lang. I know you have been very patient. So again, thank you so much for that. Please give us more patience, okay? Hi, sis. Hi, sis Twinks. Good evening. Happy New Year, sis. Okay, ayan siya ha, si Jade Saddle. Yes, sis. Super nice din siya, sis Sky. This is one of my favorites. Super nice. Okay, very cute and pebbled leather rin siya. Ayan, kunin nyo na. Wala na ito siya sa store. Super nice. You have a back pocket there. One exterior pocket. And then when you open, you push it up to open. Okay, you push it up to open. This is super nice. And you have an outside pocket din dyan. Okay, may pocket yan. And this is the inside. It's in gamuza or suede. Happy New Year, Dai Tess. I believe si Tess ni siya. Hi, Dai Tess. Happy New Year. Saan yung naghanap ng camera bag? Sino naghanap ng camera bag kanina? Si Miss ano yon? Miss, I have camera bag from Marc Jacobs. This is from Marc Jacobs. I also have snapshots, mga kabimay ha. We have snapshots from Marc Jacobs. Again, let's do this muna ha. Miss Lynn Hermoso, no ma'am. Meron tayong additional shipping fee po to other countries, okay? Only to the Philippines yung free shipping natin, madam. But then to other countries, we have additional charge po, okay? Kasi mas mahal nga. Okay? But message me and then we can talk or we can do arrangements sa payment natin sa other countries. Okay? We can do arrangements po. Okay? We use post office kasi cheaper yung post office compared sa DHL ha. DHL is really expensive. So I ship to other countries through post office. Okay? Pero sa Kuwait, Australia, medyo matagal ang shipping doon. Okay? Again, sa Kuwait and Australia, medyo may katagalan. Okay? Okay, so this is our Marc Jacobs camera. Miss Leanne Salazar, this was 9,500 pero I dropped it down to 9,000. Okay, Marc Jacobs siya, a high-end brand. Okay, and you know Marc Jacobs is a very nice, great brand. 9,000 na lang siya, madam, instead of 9,500. Okay? Hold on. I'll show you camera bag. Let me entertain her muna, mga kabimay, ha? I have snapshots from Marc Jacobs if you want snapshots. We have camera bag from Kate Spade, madam. You want this one from Kate Spade, 4,800. This is from Kate Spade, 4,800. You have two exterior pockets, okay? Ayan siya, you have two exterior pockets. Ayan siya, ha? This is from Kate Spade, madam, okay? This is from Kate Spade. This is from Kate Spade, madam, ha? You have two exterior pockets. 4,800 for this. But for Marc Jacobs, if you want Marc Jacobs, I have snapshots. Ayan, ha? 4,800 for this. I think yun na yung camera bags natin. Ma'am, I have Marc Jacobs, madam. You want Marc Jacobs? Usually, ma'am, it depends. If you're in Luzon area, it will only take 1 week. But again, this time, no, meron siyang delay. So, it will go to 2 weeks maybe, or 10 to 2 weeks. Okay, miss? Again, to the Philippines, it depends where you are. Luzon area, maybe it takes 1 week to 10 days. Visayas area, especially Cebu, no, medyo may katagalan. Mga 2 to 3 weeks po. Okay? We have snapshots. Kung gusto nyo ng snapshots, we have this in this color. And I also have snapshot in Cebu, okay? Yes, Gaw. Yes, Gaw Dimple. Meron natay bag, Gaw, nga masulod ang sneakers. Natay daghang bags, masulod ang sneakers. Okay? Natay daghan bags, masulod ang sneakers, Gaw. Any more questions? Miss Salazar? Kate Spade, sure, ma'am. Sure. Let me know lang. Okay? Message me anytime. Kate Spade, 4,800 yun, madam. Okay? Great deal na yun siya, madam. Great deal na yun siya, madam, yung Kate Spade natin. Again, Gaw din po, natay dahang bag nga masulod ang sneakers. Okay, klaro? So, coach muna natin. Tapusin natin ang coach. Okay? Let's finish coach and I will do one for raffle. Okay, so this one is our coach. Anong ibang kulay ng ano po, Miss? Miss Kriya, kulay ng ano? Available any other colors ng ano po? Which bag po, Madam Kriya? Madam Kriya, saan bag po ba ang gusto niyo? Anong kulay na hanap niyo? Which bag? Sa Kate Spade po ba? Miss Kriya, which bag po, Miss Kriya? Sa Marc Jacobs. Okay, hold on. Okay, Marc Jacobs tayo. So, sa snapshots, I have on hand hot pink and the green. Okay, this is our snapshots, hot pink and the green. Okay, but then again, you can ask for your color. I have more photos of this sa page natin. Okay, again, if you want to see more colors of this, nasa page natin. And I also want snapshots nasa Cebu, but I think someone's getting it now, okay? Again, yung nasa Cebu, I think kukunin ng friend ko, okay? Ayan siya. Hi, Miss Janet GS. Hello, good evening, madam. So, this is the other hot pink, snapshots hot pink natin, okay? I have one in Cebu, but I think kukunin na yung sa Cebu. Iba yung color na nasa Cebu, ha? Multicolor yun siya. It's a combination of red, maroon, and white. Okay? Yung nasa Cebu. This one is hot pink. Okay, madam? And you have a slip pocket sa likod. Okay? And then, ayan siya. And again, if you want a different color, meron tayong a lot more options for you nasa page natin. Okay? Klaro po? Coach tayo, no? So, we have this Bennett from Coach. This is from Coach, rainbow color. So, the side is green. The other side is may pagka, ano ba siya? May pagka brown, tan. Okay, this is from Coach, ha, Bennett. Pwede rin siya 5,600 for this. 5,600 for this Bennett's rainbow color. Okay? Marc Jacobs, the snapshot is 21,000. 25,000 yun sa Cebu. Again, 21,000. Yes, please. Go ahead, Miss Kriya. Okay, go ahead. Do it, okay? Again, depende yun sa snapshots, ha? Again, the snapshots will never go on sale. Again, the snapshots, especially yung mga latest versions nila, they will never go on sale. So, 21,000 pesos. Open for layaway tayo, okay? Open for layaway yung mga items above 10,000. Okay, klaro? Again, open for layaway tayo mga ates, mga kuyas, mga kabimay. So, let me know lang if interested kayo. Okay, so this one is our Bennett from Coach. 5,600, okay lang. 5,600 Bennett from Coach, okay? Very nice color, rainbow color. Ayan siya. Ayan. And we still have this one. 5,800 na lang. 5,800 na lang siya. Again ha, sa mga new natin dyan, free shipping tayo from New York City to the Philippines. Again, free shipping tayo ha. Free shipping from the New York to the Philippines. Ayan siya. This is 5,800 na lang. Super nice na siya mga kabimay. This is the inside. Ayan siya ha. Okay? Klaro? 5,800 na lang. Ayan. Do you have any more questions? Do you have any more questions, mga new, natin, viewers? At saka yung mga new makabimay natin dyan. Do you have any questions? And we still have this one from Marc Jacobs. This is the rider from Marc Jacobs, 9,600. Okay, this was on clearance sale, kaya mas barato na lang siya. Gaudimpol, balikan kita unya, Gaudimpol ha, balikan tika. Okay, so this is the rider from Marc Jacobs in deep teal color. Okay, this is the Marc Jacobs in deep teal color, the rider. You have a front pockets. Okay, Miss Irene Matias, sure. Okay, the rider, 9,600. And this one is, yes, I will show you, Miss Irene. Okay, hold on. I'll finish the Marc Jacobs. And this is also the orange one with mini top handle. Ito yung latest version nila sa the rider, pero a little bit smaller and more functional siya. So, na siya top handle na. 11,800 for the orange. Okay? Again, orange is 11,800. For the blue one is 9,600. Last one na lang ng blue na to. Okay, the leopards. Ate Michi, are you there, Ate Michi? And Sis Rachel. Okay, so we have two leopard. These are from Marc Jacobs brand. Okay, Marc Jacobs ni sila ha. May nagtanong nito dati. So, I don't know if Sis Rachel, if you want this one. And Ate Michi, where are you na? Nandito kayong dalawa. Ate Michi, asa na ka? So, we have the tote leopard. This is from Marc Jacobs ha. Marc Jacobs yan siya, mga kabimay. Ayan siya, Miss. Oh, kabimay. Ayan siya. Marc Jacobs for the tote. 9,000. Yes, Miss Saint Anne. Katarino talaga siya, Miss Saint Anne. Ayan siya ha. So, this is our Marc Jacobs tote. 9,000 pesos. On sale na ni siya, kaya cheaper na lang siya from the store, okay? Original price is $325 plus tax. So, nasa ano siya? Mga 18, okay? Nasa 17,000 siya original price. No, 7,500. Ayan siya, ito yung leopard tote. 9,000 ito ha, 9,000. Okay. Ate Michi. This is the inside. Again ha, this is a nice tote na siya. This is a very nice tote, guapa. And a large one, ha? Malaki ni siya ha. This is a large one. Look, oh. Okay? Daghan mong masulod. This is pang alsa balutan bag. If you're plano mo laag. Okay, ayan siya. Kung na gusto mo lakaw, nga pang lagyo, pang dugay nga biyahe. This is perfect. And I like this inside kasi ang dami niyang Marc Jacobs. Okay? You have a lot of names ni Marc Jacobs sa inside natin. Ayan. So, let me know lang. And this is also our bag. Pwede na siya ma-shoulder bag. Pwede ma-crossbody. Okay? That's the name in gold. You have an external pocket. Ayan siya yung pocket niya. And the inside. Okay? Super nice. Super cute. And again, we have wallet na ani siya dati. Yung ano. We also have a wallet like this. Claro? Nice ning tote, madam. And also this one. This original price for this small one is $375, which is over $400 sa mga 20 siya, 20K. So this is 9,500. 9,000 na lang ni siya sa Bimay, okay? This is 9,000 pesos. For the small one. Very nice ni siya again. Ito yung ano niya, strap in chain. And the top part is ito na. Pwede siya ma-shoulder bag, pwede din ma-crossbody. Okay, klaro? O yan. Napakaganda. Let me know lang, again, if you cannot decide right now, no, kung maglisod mo o decide karong gabi una, of course, pwede mo message na ako o niya. And if you want more details of the item, just message me, okay? Ayan siya. Dili mauha og message na ako. If you have questions or anything, if you want to ask more questions, let me know. Ali and Salazar, I have Lacoste. Okay, hold on. I have one long chunk. Okay, so this is our Lacoste crossbody. Our Lacoste crossbody. These two, 3,900. Again, these two, 3,900. Again, free shipping na tayo via air cargo na siya, ma'am ha, via air cargo. Mani siya ato ang duha ka crossbody bag, madam. Black and red. One of each. Okay? One of each lang meron tayo nito in the house. Ayan. You have one red and one black. Crossbody bag from Lacoste. 3,900. 3,900. And we also have this one. The tote vertical. We have tote, vertical tote in orange and red. Okay? We have this in orange and we have one red. Ito yung Lacoste natin, ma'am ha, na vertical style. Vertical style ni siya, 4,600. Again, free shipping na ni. 4,600 for this Lacoste tote. We have red and orange. Okay, red and orange for this vertical tote. And the horizontal is the on the kinilang siya nga color, ang horizontal. This is the horizontal, the last one we have for this horizontal style. Okay, ma'am? Claro, madam? Okay, horizontal style, 4,600 also. Last color we have. Ayan siya, Miss Salazar. Last color we have for this horizontal. And for the vertical, we have red and orange. Okay? I have one long chump here, which is in leather. Hobo style siya, madam. Hobo. I will show you, ha. Tote ang hanap mo, madam. Madam Salazar, tote ang hanap mo. For this long chump, this is supposed to be for me. Para sa akin sana tong long chump na to. Pero, I don't know kung merong gustong bibili nito, but I'm not sure kung okay pa sa kanya. Hindi na siya nagparamdam. So, ito lang yung meron ako. Hindi siya, hindi siya tote, pero hobo style. Super pretty. Yellow bag, yes. Yes, madam. Miss Kriya, I don't have MCM yet, madam. I have Chloe right now and Gucci, I will show you. Yellow bag, yes, I will show you the yellow bag. Okay, this is the long chump. Ito yung long chump natin, ha? Hobo style. This is 21,000 pesos. 21,000 pesos for this one, made in France. And kahit sa, kahit sa outlet kayo bumili, this is around $500, which is 25,000 pesos, okay? This is 21,000 pesos from Longchamp. Super nice, made in France. Leather siya, okay? Again, kahit sa outlet kayo bumili, this will be $500, which is around 25,000 pesos. May nag-mine na nito, but hindi ko pa sure kung ituloy niya or hindi. Pero pag may interesado dyan, why not? Gusto niyo to if you want. This is leather, madam. This is leather, Miss Lian Salazar. This is leather, super soft ang leather. Okay, yan. Klaro siya. Super soft, super nice. Long chump yan siya, madam. Hindi siya nylon. Hindi siya nylon, madam. Ayan. This is leather, okay? Made in France. Ayan siya, oh. Ang ganda ng inside niya. Okay, klaro? Ayan siya. This is super pretty. Again, this is super pretty. May nag-mine ito from New York lang. She's also from New York. But, I will ask her if gusto niya pa rin to or hindi. If not, I'm willing to give this away. This is supposed to be for me, mga kabimay. But, if may gusto, okay lang. Yes. Yes, Miss Lian, I will message you. Again, I will show you muna the Chloe, how we have Chloe and Gucci. For Chloe and Gucci, for Chloe, may gusto na bumili sa Gucci also, but I can show it to you. But for Chloe, wala pang sigurado. So, if you want to buy it, you can. If not, I plan on doing it for us, a raffle. Okay? May pa-raffle tayo dyan. Madam, I'll show you the yellow, ha? The floral is Coach. I have floral Coach and Tory Burch. I have floral Coach and Tory Burch. Okay? Ayan siya. Ito siya, madam. Our Chloe. Again, Chloe is a very nice brand also to invest on. So, if you want Chloe, you can get this. Or, if you want, iparaffle ko to. I think I plan on paraffle. Sino gusto mag-join, let me know. I think will be 1,500 each slot. Okay? I will need 50 people or 50 slots. This is our Chloe convertible backpack. Pwede siya ma-crossbody. Pwede din ma-backpack. Again, the store price for this Chloe is around 100,000 pesos. Again, store price pa yan, ha. Store price pa yan. 100,000 pesos. Wala pa yung Tobo. Store price pa yan. But for me, from Be My, you can get this for 75,000 pesos. Open for layaway tayo. Okay, ayan siya. Si Chloe natin, convertible backpack. Very nice, very cute. Again, if you want to invest on luxury bags, I suggest Chloe also is one of them. Okay? I saw one seller, no, nag-live siya ng pre-love Chloe. Different styles, smaller. 38,000 pesos pre-love yun. This one is very nice, very brand new. 75,000 pesos, but I think kung walang kukuha, I will do a paraffle. You are welcome to join. 1,500 per slot. We will need 50 people, okay? Ito yung inside niya. Again, you have two zippers, so you can pwede siya ma-zip up, okay? To make it smaller. And if you want to adjust or expand it, you can unzip it. Okay? Super nice ni si Chloe, mga kabimay. You have a gift receipt for this one, ha? This is brand new. And completely detachable yung strap niya sa backpack. Pwede siya ma-detach completely. And I believe pwede use strong or long enough siya to make it as a crossbody. I believe. I'll try it pa. Ayan siya. So, very nice convertible backpack from Chloe. Super pretty. Okay? Ayan. Hindi kayo magsisisi, mga kabimay. This is super nice. Great quality. And original yan siya, ha. Okay? Ayan siya. Si Chloe convertible backpack. Again, completely detachable ang straps niya. Okay, madam. Sino yung sa floral? I will show you the floral, madam. Okay? We have totes from Tory Burch. Hold on. Sa mga gusto ng information sa item, please message us sa inbox para makareply ako, okay? Ito po ba, madam? Ito po ba na floral ang gusto nyo? Okay, this one is from Tory Burch. This is Garden Field Tory Burch tote, medium size. You have a strap, pwede siya ma-two-way, okay? Again, you have a strap, pwede siya ma-two-way, mga ates, mga kuyas dyan, mga kabimay. Pwede siya ma-two-way, okay? Ayan. Ito po bang gusto nyo, madam? And we also have a matching wallet. If you want to buy these together, you can save a little bit of money. If you buy this as a bundle, pwede siya maka-discount, ha? Pwede kayo maka-discount if gusto nyo to as a bundle. Ayan siya, ha? Tory Burch ito siya, madam. Nasaan na yun si madam? Okay, ayan siya si floral. And yellow bag. Saan naghanap ng yellow bag? Miss Gemaline, are you still there? We have couple yellows here. This one is from Kate Spade. Kate Spade siya, Eva. And this one is from Coach. This is Tilly. Okay, ito yung yellow natin. And this one. Okay, we have 3 yellow bags for you. Okay, are you still here, Miss Jenalyn? So we have 3 yellow bags. So which one po ba ang gusto niyo? This one is from Michael Kors, Hope. Okay? From Michael Kors ni siya, madam. Two-way ni siya. You have 3 compartments. The middle part is my zipper. And again, two-way ni siya. You have a strap included. Ayan. Okay? Miss Jenalyn, are you still here, Miss Jenalyn? Anyway, I don't think she's still here, but I'm gonna show this to you pa rin, okay? Ayan siya si Michael Kors Hope. This is 5,300 na lang. Supposed to be 5,600. Oh, Madam Jenalyn, this is 5,300 na lang, madam. Supposed to be 5,600. Pwede na lang siya 5,300 for you. Free shipping na yan siya, Madam Jenalyn, okay? Free shipping na taan ng Michael Kors Hope, okay? Free shipping, everything's free shipping, 5,300. Again, two-way ni siya, madam, ha? Hindi siya small, medium, very nice size, okay? Ayan siya, you have a strap, pwede siya ma-two-way. Again, samahan, ang lahat ng bags natin pwede ma-two-way. Okay, ayan siya si Hope, Michael Kors Hope. Ayan. And si Tilly from Coach. No, medium siya, Madam Jenalyn. Medium. Madam, this is medium. Okay, medium ni siya. Medium. You can put a long wallet. Pwede nyo siya malagyan ng umbrella if you want. Okay, water bottle. Okay, klaro? Marami kang malagay, Madam. 3 compartment yun siya. You have 3 compartments sa bag na yon. This one naman is from Coach Tilly. Sis Rachel, are you there? Ito siya, sis Rachel, ha. Ito yung Tilly natin. You have an exterior pocket. May pocket sa likod. Tilly is a very nice bag also, mga kabimay, from Coach. I love Tilly. Okay, this is Tilly. You have an exterior pocket. The front side is this. You have 3 compartments. It is in suede material inside. Okay, suede yung lining niya ha sa inside. Ayan. Claro, again, si Telly from Coach is 8,000 pesos. Okay, sis Rachel, ayan siya. Super pretty si Telly. I love Telly. I love yellow kasi kaya I like this one. Okay? And again, detachable siya. You can make this, you can undo the strap. You can take off the strap or you can make it shorter or longer according to our heights. Okay? Ayan siya, sis. So, let me know lang ha, sino may gusto ng items. Again, message me for more details later on if you want more details to help you decide. Okay? I know it's so hard to make a decisions right now, especially online, no? Ang daming scams. I understand your doubts high, your hesitation to buy online. It's hard to trust. I know it's really hard to trust to buy things online. So I understand if you want more details, if you have any more questions to make you feel confident about your purchase, there's no problem with me. Just call me or ask me for questions to make you feel comfortable, okay? Again, it's so hard to trust, but then again, with me, I understand. So just message me anytime. Yellow Coach, Sis Rachel, asan na yun? Okay, yes, message me, Sis Rachel. Again, Coach Yellow is 8,000 pesos si Telly. Okay, this is from Coach. 8,000. Again, Coach is much more expensive compared to Michael Kors and Kate Spade ha. Again, ayan. Ayan siya. This is 8,000. Yes, Miss Ginalyn, noted. Just message me later, Miss Ginalyn. The Michael Kors is 5,300. Okay, Michael Kors Yellow, which is Hope is the name. 5,300 lang, sis Ginalyn, okay? Sure, Miss Ginalyn, noted, Miss Ginalyn, noted. Message me anytime, mga kabimay. Again, if you have any questions or confirmations, let me know. I'll be here for you, okay? I understand your hesitations, I understand. But I am just here to add, if you have any questions, let me know. To make you feel comfortable. Thank you, Miss Olin Polo. Okay? Sana yung naghanap ng floral. Yun lang ba? We also have this one from Kate Spade Floral. Oh, this is 6,500 si Cameron Floral from Kate Spade. For men, yes, I have men. Gym bags. How big gusto mo? So, I have this floral ha. Yung naghanap ng floral dyan, this is from Kate Spade also. From Kate Spade, 6,500. Okay? This is from Kate Spade, 6,500. Si Cameron Floral. This is also two-way. Okay? May strap siya. Pwede siya ma-crossbody. And you have a front pockets. And this is the inside. Okay? Saan na yung naghanap ng floral, please come back to me. Wag ba akong iwan? Okay, yes, gym bag. For now, this is what I have. This is like a traveling bag. Okay? This is what I have from Kipling. This is super big. Okay? This is super big. Yung sa baba po ng kulay orange. This is Coach, madam. This is super nice. Great buy na to pag kinuha mo. It was over 6,000 before. I'm just giving it for 5,800, Madam Girly. This is super girly, Madam Girly. Kas ano mo? It fits your name. Okay, Miss Girly? Miss Girly, this fits your name. This is super girly. Super nice. Okay, ang cute nito. From Coach ni siya, Madam. From Coach. Okay, ayan. Ayan siya, madam. 5,800 na lang siya. This was over 6,000 before. 5,800 free shipping na yan siya. And of course, Coach yan, madam, ha. And ayan siya yung handle niya. Strap niya is in chain. Of course, completely detachable. And you have a top handle. So, pwede siya. You can use this without the strap. Just like that. Simply like that. Very cute. Diba? Hi, Ate Imelda. Good evening, Ate Imelda. Hello, hello. Okay, Miss Girly, this is the only one. Nag-iisang ikaw ka lang dito. Okay, again, most of our items are very unique. We don't have a lot of items in the same style. Kaya kunin nyo na to. I will open it for you, madam. This is the inside. 5,800 na lang na siya mga kabimay ha. Perfect for your phone. You have 3 compartments inside. 1, 2 in the middle with a zipper, and the 3rd one. Okay, and you have a lot of credit card slots. You don't need to bring a wallet for this one because you have a lot of credit card slots. Ayan siya. Okay, you have 8. You can fit in a lot of credit cards, like 8 credit cards, and the middle part has zipper. Ayan siya ha. Madam, for Singapore, hindi tayo free shipping sa Singapore. Okay? Even in Korea, this is what I do. Kasi it's more expensive now if I ship it to Hong Kong or Korea. A lot of people from Macau and Hong Kong also, they buy things from me. And also to Kuwait ha, taga Kuwait also. They buy things from me. I ship it to the Philippines for free. And they ask their loved ones to ship it to wherever you are, DHL. Mas madali, mas cheaper siya yata. Okay? So again, yung iba pinadala ko sa Philippines. Tapos from Philippines na pinad-DHL nila sa Kuwait. At saka sa Hong Kong. And I'm doing the same thing sa Macau. Okay? So kung gusto nyo ng ganyan, let me know lang. Or from here directly to you, we can do that. Pero hindi siya free shipping, madam. We can try if you want to. But hindi siya free shipping. But maybe, madam, cheaper lang to siya kasi hindi siya umabot ng 4 pounds. I think this will only cost maybe 1,000 or 1,500. I'm not sure. Okay? Ayan siya. But this is super nice ha. Super pretty talaga. You have a top handle dyan. Ito yung top handle niya. I-message ko, madam, kung anong gusto mo, madam, ha. Again, this is a great buy na talaga. Okay, saan na naghanap ng ano? I love you too, Ate Imelda. Okay, so this is our traveling bag or pwede siya pang gym bag, ha. This is very nice. I love the Kipling. So you have 2 side pockets, perfect for your shoes if you want or for your water bottles. Ayan siya, you have 2 side pockets. Ayan. And this is the front. You have 4 pockets sa front. 2 with zippers. Ang ganda nito. Kunin nyo. 5,300. 5,300 for this Kipling. 5,300 for this Kipling. Okay, kunin nyo na to. Nag-iisa na lang. Isa lang siya. 5,300. If you want this for gym, perfect. This is... Madam Girly, I'm not too sure. But maybe nasa 1,000 to 1,500, madam. Okay? We can try. Pwede natin subukan, Miss Girly. I ship to ano. Yes, Miss Lian, don't worry. I'll get more Kiplings. Again, we will have more Kiplings, mga kabimay ha. I will get more Kiplings for you. Ito lang Kiplings meron tayo. We also have this one. Oh, super cute, diba? Para siyang doctor's bag. Ang ganda din. Bago nila to. Again, I will get more Kiplings from now on. So, wait lang kayo dyan. Ayan siya. We have few Kiplings sa backpack din. Meron tayo nito din. 4,500 na lang ni siya. 4,500. Convertible backpack ni siya from Kipling. I think you can do this also. You can wear this for gym. Ay, si Smiling Sumampong. Itong bilog, bago nila sis, medyo may kamahalan din. Okay? Yes, in peso, Miss Girly, 5,800 yung bag mo. 5,800 pesos po yun, okay? 5,800 pesos po yun, madam. Again, to Singapore, it's not free. So, we have to add additional shipping fee for Singapore or to other countries, okay? So, this one says medyo may kamahalan bago nila to. 4,400 for this one. 4,400 for this cute little thing. Okay? Ang ganda, no? Super nice. I like this one. 4,400 for this. Okay, ayan siya. Miss Girly, in peso tayo, Madam Girly, ha? In peso tayo. Okay, in peso. Philippine peso tayo. Ayan siya, si Kipling. Again, if you want this one, we have convertible backpack from Kipling, 4,500 na lang. Okay, ayan siya. So, let us know. And we have this traveling bag. Again, I will get you a smaller version of this. Sa may gusto, we will have more Kiplings coming in the house. Ayan. Okay, next. Hapit na ha. Mag-raffle na tayo mamaya. Konting-konti na lang. Please be more patient. Sino pang may questions? Let's try to accommodate sa mga may questions muna ha. Yes, sis. Bennett's. This one says Bennett's. This one says, Mylene, Bennett says, 5,600 si Bennett, okay? 5,600. This is Bennett from Coach, yes. 5,600 si Coach Bennett, okay? Rainbow. Rainbow siya says. Okay? Nice siya says no, nindot. Good morning, Miss Beatrice Salon. Hello, ma'am. Good evening. She's from Canada. Hello, Miss Beatrice. Good morning pala dyan. Good morning in Canada. How are you, Miss Beatrice? Kumusta ka dyan? Let me know how I can help you, Miss Beatrice. Miss Beatrice, gusto mo ng coach? We have coach ha. We have a lot of new coach. Ang ganda ng mga coach natin. Ayan siya, sis. May black. Black ng ano, sis? Nito? Ng Bennett? Wala, sis eh. We don't have a black Bennett's. We don't have black Bennett, sis. Wala tayong black nito, sis. Wala. Okay, ang ganda ng rainbow. And also, we have this one ha from Kate Spade. Convertible backpack from Kate Spade. Pwede siya ma-crossbody bag. Okay? Ayan siya. This is from Kate Spade. 4,900. 4,900 for this one. Kate Spade. Convertible Kate Spade. Backpack. Pwede din ma-crossbody. Ayan siya ha. Pwede ma-crossbody. Pwede ma-backpack. Si Kate Spade Convertible Backpack. Ayan. Okay? We have two of those. Do you have any more questions? I will do paraffle soon ha. We're almost ready. And we have Lacoste shirts here. We have Lacoste. Sino may gusto ng dresses? We have dresses available. Okay, mga kabimay, we have dresses ha. Sino gusto ng mga overall dresses or romper? I have this one, size 6. Size 6 ni siya. 4,500. Sorry. What's the price for this one? Yeah. 4,500 for this one. 4,500 for this one. Baby brand ni siya ha. Bebe. Again, this is Bebe brand, 4,500, size 6 na siya. I have one for this sa akin. Size 4 ako, I stand 5'4", okay? I'm wearing size 4. 5'4" yung height ko, okay mga kabimay? We have Lacoste polo shirts. For women na siya. We have Lacoste size medium for women. 3,000. 3,000 na siya ha. For women na siya. Size medium for women. Yes, Miss Girly. Yes, we can try, Miss Girly ha. Message mo lang ako, Miss Girly. I'm here. And we also have this one. 4'8" na ito. Sorry, 4'8" ang baby. Sorry, baby was 4'8". Baby was 4'8". And we also have this cute yellow dress. Supposed to be, I bought this for me. Pero medyo masikip ng konti. But this is super cute. Sino yung mas maliit sa akin? Size 3. Sinong size 3? This is size 4 sana. But it's a little bit small for me. Masikip konti. Okay, ayan siya. Maraming salamat din, Miss Girly. Message mo ako mamaya, Miss Girly. Don't be shy, Miss Girly, ha. I'm here anytime. And this one is 2,900 yata. Okay? This is super nice. This fits me well. Pero pag sinong may gusto dyan, you can get this one. Also, 2,900, size 4. Ito yung likod niya. Okay? I'm just showing it to you. So, let's finish muna nito. Let's finish. I will get t-shirts, madam. I only have one t-shirt here. I have two t-shirts for men. I have Levi's and Calvin Klein. For men siya. Miss Lian, are you looking for shirts for men or women? Women, no? Sandali lang, Miss Lian, ha? I can show you the t-shirts. I only have one Levi's, size small. And I have one size medium from, Cavaliers yata yon, Cavaliers. Both men and women. Yes, I will show you. Since maraming nag-request ng t-shirts, no, I will get more t-shirts, ha? Calvin Klein, gusto nyo? I think maraming nagkagusto ng mga t-shirts dito. Sinong gusto na-order ng t-shirts? We can get t-shirts. Maraming nag-request. So, I'll get. Okay? You have any more questions of bags? We still have this coach, ha? Super nice. Ito yung coach natin. We have coach red. If you want this one, this is jade yata. We have this one in red, 7,500. Okay, 7,500 for this red coach. Okay. And we have backpack. Backpack from Tory Burch, 9,000 pesos in nylon material. This is from Tory Burch in nylon material, 9,000 pesos. Okay? Let me know sa may gusto nito. Let me try, Madam Len. Parang, how many inches po ba yung wallet nyo? Kasha yung Michael Kors, madam. Madam, kasha si Michael Kors. Okay, this wallet ha, I will measure it for you, madam, to be sure kung anong size yung wallet mo, okay? This wallet is from Michael Kors. 3,400 din siya ha, 3,400. Sandali lang, madam ha, Madam Len. So, the wallet is 7 inches and 7 1/4, okay? Let's say 7 1/4. 7 1 gramo. Ito yun siya ha. Ito yung size ng wallet. 7.1 something. Okay? Ito yung wallet niya. So, the wallet around 7 1/4 will fit in. Okay? Again, 7 1/4 will fit in. Anong size yung wallet mo, madam? Nag-fit siya, madam ha, ang 7 1/4 inch na wallet. Okay? It's inside na. Hindi ko alam kung anong size ng wallet mo. Hopefully, the same lang sa Michael Kors natin. Again, this Michael Kors is 3,400. Okay, let me know, madam. Ako, meron tayo, sis. We have sling wallets, 4,800. I have small wallets, madam, okay? This is 4,800 from Michael Kors. 4,800 na siya, ha. Sling wallets. Ayan siya, 4,800 for this one from Michael Kors. 4,800 for the sling wallets. Sis Lynn, I have this one from Coach. Again, sling wallets is 4,800. Okay? Sis, these are the small wallets we have. Yes, Miss Anudling. Yes, or you're already here, sis. Nasali na kita. Okay? Miss Liza May Anudling. Yes, okay na po. Okay, Sis Lynn. Ito yung short wallets natin. This is from Marc Jacobs. 3,900. This one is 3,900. Ayan siya. Ayan siya, 3,900. And this is from Coach Trifold. Ang cute ito. Okay? 3,400 ito siya from Coach. This one is 3,400. Marc Jacobs is 3,900. Okay? Again, for this Coach, 3,400 for this one. And you have a compartment na for your coins. Ayan siya. Again, Coach.